Hello dear student, again welcome into NPC online classes. Dear student, after the study of male reproductive organ and female reproductive organ, development of megasporangium, development of microsporangium, microspore, megaspore or embryo sac. Now today our point is pollination. So today our point is pollination. In this class I discussed you about pollination. Simply, what is pollination? Imagine that it is a flower and flower part female reproductive organ, and these are male reproductive organ, and apical part of reproductive organ is anther. After the maturation of anther undergoes into dehiscence condition. इसका स्फुटन होता है, ये फटता है, and pollen grain remove from the anther. These are pollen grain which are removed from the anther, and during pollination pollen grain transfer to the stigma. In the same flower, in the another flower, or in the another plant. Is that clear? So during the pollination, pollen grain transferred on the stigma by any carrier in the same flower, I repeat, in the another flower and in the another flower of another plant. Here is three condition. So simply pollination process divided into two parts, or other language I can say it is of two types. First point is self-pollination. So simply, what is self-pollination? In the self-pollination, plant is same. I repeat, plant is same, but flower are changed or maybe same. इसमें प्लांट चेंज नहीं होगा, इसमें फ्लावर ही क्या होगा, चेंज होगा. एज ए एग्जाम्पल, in the self pollination, first our point is autogamy. So simply, what is autogamy? Now look at the board. It is a bisexual flower. Bisexual, it means it bear both male and female reproductive organ. So it is bisexual flower. In bisexual flower, pollen grain released from the anther after dehiscence, and if they transferred into the stigma of same flower, I repeat, they transfer into on the stigma of same flower, such type of condition is known as autogamy. So simply, what is autogamy? ऑटोगेमी में फ्लावर बाइसेक्सुअल है और बाइसेक्सुअल फ्लावर में उसी के पोलन ग्रेन उसी के स्टिग्मा पर ट्रांसफर हो रहे हैं. दिस कंडीशन इज नोन एज ऑटोगेमी. नाउ सेकंड कंडीशन इज ज़ीटनोगेमी. सेकंड कंडीशन इज नोन एज ज़ीटनोगेमी. सो व्हाट इज ज़ीटनोगेमी? स्पेशली it is a stem of any plant. These are leaves, and here is flower. It is flower and it is another flower. So in same plant two flowers are present. I repeat, in same plant two flowers are present. Especially in the ज़ीटनोगेमी, the pollen grain transfer to one flower to another flower. I repeat, in the ज़ीटनोगेमी pollen grain of the any flower transfer on the another flower of the same plant, this condition is known as ज़ीटनोगेमी. इट मीन्स ज़ीटनोगेमी में आप देखिए प्लांट चेंज नहीं हुआ है, यहाँ पर फ्लावर ही क्या हुए हैं, चेंज हुए. सो ऑटोगेमी occurs in same flower or single flower, but for the ज़ीटनोगेमी here is two flower are required which are present or situated on a same plant. This condition is known as ज़ीटनोगेमी. So what is autogamy? Transfer of pollen grain to the stigma in same flower. So what is ज़ीटनोगेमी? Transfer of pollen grain one flower to another flower in a same plant is known as ज़ीटनोगेमी. So after the completion of ज़ीटनोगेमी and autogamy, what are the conditions for the self pollination? सेल्फ पॉलिनेशन की कंडीशंस क्या हैं, क्या चीजें कंपलसरी हैं, क्या चीजें नेसेसरी हैं. और इसमें आप देखिए फर्स्ट कंडीशन विच इज वेरी कंपलसरी, आई रिपीट फर्स्ट कंडीशन विच इज वेरी कंपलसरी फॉर द सेल्फ पॉलिनेशन इज बाइसेक्सुअलिटी. बाइसेक्सुअलिटी इट मीन्स फ्लावर bear both male and female reproductive organ. I repeat, if in a single flower both male and female reproductive organs are present, in stamen and carpels are present, such type of flower is known as bisexual, and this condition is known as bisexuality. So especially for the self pollination, bisexuality is compulsory. Not only bisexuality, second point, homogamy is also compulsory. So what is homogamy? In bisexual flower, when male and female both reproductive organs mature at the same time, this condition is known as homogamy. So what is homogamy? Then your answer is homogamy is a process in which both male and female reproductive organs mature at the same time in same flower. Is second condition. Now third condition is cleistogamy, and this cleistogamy is very, very, very important for your board examination. What is cleistogamy? Especially in some plant, it is a bud form. I repeat, it is a bud form of flower which bear male and female reproductive organ. But in some flower, बट नेवर ओपन और नेवर कन्वर्ट इनटू द फ्लावर. फ्लावर में कभी भी क्या नहीं होती, कन्वर्ट नहीं होती. रिजल्टेंट उसमें क्या होता है, सेल्फ पॉलिनेशन ही होता है. आई रिपीट, व्हाट इज क्लिस्टोगेमी? देन योर आंसर इज इन सम फ्लावर बड नेवर कन्वर्ट इनटू फ्लावर, एंड सच टाइप ऑफ फ्लावर आर नोन एज क्लिस्टोगेमस. आई रिपीट, cleistogamous flower, and this condition is known as cleistogamy. And cleistogamy point is very important for your examination. In the cleistogamy or in the cleistogamous flower, bud never open or never convert into flower. So it is a condition for the self pollination, and such type of example, first plant is Commelina, second plant is Viola, and third plant is Oxalis. These are the all cleistogamous flower. In some flower, not in some flower, in many flower, in maximum flower, bud convert into flower, and such type of flower are known as chasmogamous. It is cleistogamous, and second condition chasmogamous. And chasmogamous property invite the cross pollination. So what is self pollination? Pollination between same flower, different two flower but plant is same. This condition is known as self pollination. First condition, autogamy between same flower. ज़ीटनोगamy between two flower but plant is same. Conditions are bisexuality, homogamy, and cleistogamy. What is cleistogamy? Bud never open into flower, never convert into flower, and this condition improve the cell pollination. An example of clistogamy is Commelina, viola and oxalis, and such type of flower are known as clistogamous flower. So these are also example of clistogamous flower. But in maximum plant, maximum flower convert into purely flower. These are open, and open it means they invite the pollen grains and they increases the possibility of cross pollination, and this type of flower are known as casmogamous flower. In the nature, maximum flower are casmogamous, but few are clistogamous. I repeat, clistogamous and casmogamous both are very important for your board examination. Now second point, after the self pollination, second point is cross pollination. Simply, what is cross pollination? It is a plant which be a flower, and it is another plant which bear another flower. So here is two plant. I repeat, here is two plant. If pollen grain transferred one plant to another plant is known as cross pollination. So in the cross pollination, pollen grain of flower transferred to another flower of another stigma, और these plants are separated. It means इसमें प्लांट कितने होने चाहिए? दो प्लांट होने चाहिए. दोनों प्लांट के बीच में क्या होगा? क्रॉस पॉलिनेशन होगा. फ्लावर भी चेंज हैं और प्लांट्स भी चेंज हैं. So what is the conditions of cross pollination? Cross pollination की conditions क्या हैं? And first point is self sterility. Simply, what is self sterility? In some plant, flowers are bisexual. Homogamy is also present. If a flower is bisexual, homogamy is also present, then the increased condition for the self pollination. But here is a special character, self sterility. In some bisexual flower, same pollen grain when transferred into the stigma of same flower, pollen grain transferred into the stigma of same flower, then this pollen grain not germinated, and this condition is known as self sterility. I repeat, in the self sterility, flower is bisexual, homogamy is also present. Both condition increases the self pollination condition, but self sterility, what is self sterility? If same pollen grain transferred into the stigma of same flower, then in this condition, in some plant, pollen grain never germinated on the stigma, and this condition is known as self sterility. Especially it is a special character of potato and tobacco also, passiflora also. So tobacco, potato and passiflora, Vitis malus apple, especially malus in the apple, or Vitis malus is grapes. So Vitis malus in grapes and malus in apple. This condition is known as self-sterility. Now second point is unisexuality. This is second condition of cross-pollination. Unisexuality, it means flower should be unisexual. It bear only either male reproductive organ, it means stamen, or it bear female reproductive organ, it means carpel or pistil. Such condition is known as unisexuality, or especially what unisexuality के साथ, with the unisexuality, here is two another point. First is monoecious and another is dioecious. What is monoecious and what is dioecious? Hear me clearly. Monoecious and dioecious, both terms are used for the plant. If a plant bear both male flower and female flower. I repeat, if a plant bears male flower and female flower both, this condition is known as monoecious. And what is dioecious? Dioecious, it means this type of plant bears only either male flower or female flower. This condition is known as dioecious. Is that clear? Now third condition is dichogamy. So simply, what is dichogamy? Dichogamy, it means if a flower is bisexual. If a flower is bisexual, it bear male and female both reproductive organ. Homogamy is also present. But if a male and female reproductive organ mature at the different time, such condition is known as dichogamy. So what is dichogamy? Dichogamy, it means maturity of male and female reproductive organ at different type, and this condition increases the chances of cross pollination. Now fourth point, hercogamy. Simply, what is hercogamy? It is difference between length of stamen and length of carpels. If carpels की और stamen की length different हुई तो ऐसी condition को हम बोलते हैं hercogamy. And last, heterostyly. Heterostyle में हमें weightage देना है style को, length of style. Especially in some plant, two types of flower are present. And best example is primula plant. Especially in primula plant, two types of flower are present. It is first condition. It is first condition. Flower is bisexual. Homogamy is also present. So simply, here is chances of self-pollination, but self-pollination is not found due to presence of heterostyly. Especially the length of style is very large, very big. So in this condition, these pollen grain never transferred on the stigma of same flower. It is first condition of a primula plant. It is second condition. It is second condition. In this condition, filament is very large. Filament is very large, but style is small. These are two opposite condition, and these two types of flower are present in the primula plant, and such type of plants or flowers are known as dimorphic. And special thing, for the cross pollination, vectors are required. So which vectors are required, we discuss about in next class. So continuous with us, subscribe and like. Thanks.